with DJ Designs, and today I want to show you a quick tutorial. I've been working with leather again, and this is from my designer series that I've been doing to make the high-end designer earrings. And I guess you remember from my previous video how easy it is to dye leather, and this was actually done with spray paint. I did it with the shortcuts, and this was done with metallic paint, and this is a folk art metallic paint, treasure gold, but that's copper, I believe it is. And this was done with the silver spray paint. Anyway, stay tuned and let's get started. All right, let's see what we got here. Ooh, nice. I like that. Okay, so what I did was I used a spray paint and a metallic paint to paint my leather. There is a YouTube tutorial where I show you how to do this. Basically, I'm using the shortcuts spray paint, and this is one, I used the gloss one for it, and it worked out pretty well. I haven't tried the flat paint yet, but I'm pretty pleased with the results of this. And for the rose gold, I used a treasure gold paint, and I will put a link in the description for that, okay? So I skipped that part because I had already have a video about that. Okay, so when you're doing the different feathers, you have to make sure that it goes one this way, one that way, one that way. I think that's the look. And the design and also the template will be available in the description. If you don't have a laser, you can pretty much trace the template and get the same effect, okay? So, I mean, all I'm doing is taking a pinch bail clip, and these are my favorite clips. I did get these on Amazon. I like the qualities of these because they're thicker, and it does give your earrings a more professional look. And all I'm doing is pretty simply putting the three pieces together. I guess I'll get the hole straight before I do this and make it easier. Looks like this didn't go all the way through, so let me get this hole punched out. You can also use a leather puncher for these holes. You don't really have to use the laser cutter to do the holes. I mean, it's usually is problems down the line because it's such a small hole. I have a diode laser, and I do find when I use the diode laser doing the small thing, sometimes it burns. So you can do it with whichever way you feel is best for you, okay? All right, I got that in. And this is our first pair of earrings. Look at that. Once it's cut, there's hardly no work. Easily get $15, $20 for these earrings because they're leather, custom colored. All right, let's do the next one. Okay, let's see what we got. Ooh, nice again. Nice. All right, let's go make some earrings again. We're going to third pair. Ooh, look at that. Little turn on there. But look at that. Oh, wow. I cannot wait to put these together. Yes. All right. Okay, this is our second and third pair. These are the colors that I chose because it was in my stash. It's a good way to use up your scrap leather because it really doesn't take that much leather. I did get this big bag of scraps in Hobby Lobby. It was $5.99. I showed you in my other video. I think I'll go back and get a couple more. That's such a good deal. All right, here's the second pair. Wow, that looks really nice. These are so simple when you use these pinch bail clips. I'm sure everybody knows by now this is my favorite clip because it's nice and thick and it makes your earrings look so professional. So sometimes the prong is flush with the front and the back, so you have to kind of twist it. Okay, and this is our third pair. And there's so many different designs that I wanted to try, but I just want to show you these three that I did. These designs will be available on my website, the cut files actually, and I'm going to do templates for if you don't have a laser cutter. You can certainly trace it and cut it if you have a good hand cutting with a scissor. Anyway, this will conclude my short tutorial. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I do appreciate everyone that has subscribed previously, and I'll see you in the next video.